Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to AmazingWomensWorld. In this video I have come up to show you making of this simple yet stylish look mirror work designing, but let me elaborate the pattern. It's a simple square mirror work designing on the linen sari. To give the classic look, it's been highlighted with simple tassel. This way we can recreate our old plain saris to new designer saris. So let's quickly start with this designing. I'd be using the square mirrors of 1 cm by 1 cm length. Also black color anchor thread with size 60 number needle and Fevicryl fabric glue to stick these mirrors. Here I'd be using plastic mirrors, but if you want you can also use the glass mirrors. Only these are the 4 materials which we are using for the square mirror designing. So firstly we have to stick these mirrors. For that I'd be applying the glue and sticking these square mirrors. These are simple custom made patterns which will look simple, but once you wear it, it will really gives a grand look. And here I'd be using 6 strands of anchor thread. Also you can try with the silk threads, other embroidering thread or the woolen strand. Like this we have to give overlapping stitches on the corners of these mirrors so that the raw edges of the corners of these mirrors will be concealed. It's so simple basic mirror work designing which can be done within no time, and you can try these designs for blouses necklines, the sari pic which I have shown, or else you can try for the dupattas designing, and you can try this type of designing on any types of fabrics. Like this, on the 4 corners of this square mirror we have to conceal it. These stitches we have to give 3 to 4 times like this. Here I'd be going with the single color, but if you want you can also use the multicolors threads or the combinational threads. Having the fusion color threads also you can try it. These patterns really look very simple, but once you try it, it will really gives rich elegant look. And this is how the simple mirror work designing will be done. As the border is highlighted with the black color, I'd be using black color anchor thread, but you can also go with the contrast colors which will really gives nice appeal. The completed sari pattern would look like this. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles. May be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to AmazingWomensWorld channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon.